Good morning, guys. It's December 15th, Sunday, December 15th. We on our way to a track meet in Staten Island. That's why I have on my little New York hoodie. No, not really, but we have a track meet there today, about an hour and a half away. And this time I am taking April because there's no one to watch her. So she'll be coming along with me and Robert and the coach, because the coach gonna drive with me too, because it just saves on gas, because there's only two athletes going who has qualified, and that's Robert and Logan. Logan is the young child, or the little boy who was at the Junior Olympics. He's in my last vlog, who had qualified with Robert. Go check that out. But yeah, I'm excited. So I'm just packing a bag. I'm gonna try to get a walk in with Chloe. Try to, but I don't think that's gonna happen, quite honestly. Orange or how about we have a banana? I'm sorry. It's a little, they get a little too old. You have an orange later. Hey y'all, we made it. Hour and a half. Currently pushing April. But I didn't get no footage in the car. I was driving with Coach. But April's gonna give you a little, let's get Ocean Breeze track and field up there, April. That sounds. Is that taking a picture? Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Here we are at Ocean City, Maryland. Here we are at Ocean Breeze Athletic Complex, here for the indoor track meet. I don't know which track meet, but we're going to probably find out. So here we have my son, Robert Wright.
Hello.
He has been entered into the 200 and 400 meter dash, right, alongside of his teammate Logan. These are the two athletes that qualified in last week's track meet. Check that video out. So, Robert, we are here today for a track meet, obviously, if I say that one more time. So what numbers do you think you're going to be running today?
The numbers I think I'm going to run is like a low 24 in the 200 and maybe a high 55 in the 400.
Okay. So we look forward to seeing that. As you know, Robert was out with an injury in outdoor season of 2024, but now he's back and he's better for outdoor season 2024 to 2025.
Better.
And we look forward to seeing him. Now, on the outside of that, we have an athlete here, April. April,
We don't care about
please
her.
tell us how your leg is feeling. Good. April says her leg is feeling good. Unfortunately, April is in a cast right now because I think she intentionally twisted her and broke her ankle just to get out of indoor season. But here we are, you know. But she'll be back for outdoor season 2025.
And she fell.
And we pray that this leg is going to be healed, okay? Because she was supposed to compete. Right. Yes. She was supposed to compete in a Colgate track meet, but for the girls. But she's not this season.
Of course.
But again, we look forward to seeing her next year. All right? Any last words, April?
Hi. Bye.
Hi and bye. Spoken
Bye,
from
bye,
a
bye,
10-year-old. Back to you.
Hey, reporting live from Ocean Breeze Speed Capital. We got our man Logan here today. You already know the one and know the Big Log. How you feel about today? Being as though you and Robert were the only ones chose to come to this meet. How special is that? We're asking you right now. Robert already did his interview. It's your turn. You feel good?
Yeah.
You think you're gonna get you a nice PR today?
Yeah.
Yeah. What events are you running?
60 and the 200.
The 60 and the 200?
Yes.
Oh yeah. So I know it's been a while since you ran the 60, but is that one of your favorite races or the least favorite?
Favorite.
Your favorite?
Yeah.
All right. Well, you know you got to take off, right? You ain't got much time to catch up, so get them on the gunshot.
Okay.
All right.
It's got her phone.
Chrissy Creations Ensemble.
Hold on.
Ooh, my phone.
Here we are, the Mallory Challenger moms, okay? We are the moms of the 2 qualifying athletes. My name is Monique.
Chrissy
This
with a K.
is Chrissy Lee, okay? And we are about to enjoy this day of a track meet. Coach, what track meet is this? Speed Capital meet. So this is Ocean Breeze Speed Capital meet. This is our second meet, right? So far
Second meet of the season.
And then we take a little break for the holidays. You feel me? So what are you excited to see today? What races are you excited to see?
See the 60.
The 60 meter?
The 60 meter, only because Logan mentioned in the last video that it was one of his favorite events. So we want to see what he could do in there.
Okay.
He hasn't run the 60 since last year, I think.
Okay.
So I'm kind of eager to see what he does in that.
Yeah, I don't feel like I've seen the kids run anything less than like 100 in a long time.
Mm-hmm.
So that's gonna be fun, and the kids really like this track because it goes like up on a hill.
It's a bank track.
So yeah, okay, she knows the verbiage because I haven't really done this before, but it banks, I guess, and they really like that.
PR on the bank track.
Mm.
But the 100, I mean, not the 100, the 60 is in the middle. So
Gotcha.
You're running the 200 or 400, you should expect the PR on the bank track.
Mm. So here we are at Staten Island at this track meet. I'm excited. I'm excited to see Robert run a 200. That's usually when like he just speed racer.
All out.
You know?
Oh,
I'll throw in a clip. I'll throw in a clip of Robert's
a comparison.
Yeah, I'll throw in a short clip.
He wants to show his growth. So that's good.
April's talking about I have to put her in, but April is not even running. So what is the point?
April is here as the mascot today.
Yeah, we got April over here as the mascot. We got Mama Kathy. We got Coach. You know, it's just a couple of us at this track meet. But again,
there's a lot of competition.
Yeah, there's a lot of competition.
But we're not worried about that. We came with the competition.
Period. Okay? We earned this. You feel me? Oh, we earned this. Let's get a clip. I'm going to show y'all a clip of the track so y'all know what I'm talking about.
I thought you was able to pause it and then switch right?
I know. So here's the clip of the track, y'all. As y'all see, it banks right here in that section.
On the turns, yeah.
And that's the way the track
hurdles
looks.
in the middle.
So we're going to be back once everything starts to kind of let you know when our kid's going to be racing, you know, then give a clip of our kid and then kind of do an interview when they are off the track after they have ran their race to kind of interview them. So stay tuned and we'll be back. April. Robert. Sarah. He can't even start.
Sarah.
This is her. Oh, oh.
Yo! He's faster than you! Yo, they way faster than April! Yo!
Alright, we got Logan up on the track. He is in lane 3. He is, can't even see him. Like, there he is. So they are running 1500s at the same time, running the 60-meter dash. So this right here is the 60-meter dash. Here we go. Here we go. Let's go, Logan! Good job, guys.
All right, we back. After the 60-meter run, we got Logan placing in 4th place overall for the 8 and under boys. We had a little incident where he left his spikes home. So I don't know how he feel about that, but I know how I feel about that. Why you mad at Coach Daryl? What he do?
No, because you keep on hating.
Not Coach Daryl hating. So, why you pouting right now, Logan? And I see your eyes is getting watery. You look like you're about to cry. You want to tell us about that? No comment?
Oh, I can do that.
Only got one
We got
life.
Logan on the game.
Only got one life. It only spawn you at one life because this is
Ooh.
I messed up, but
Son!
I'll wait for him.
come on.
Robbie!
Hi, brother. Why you looking like you
Robert is about to go. He's on the line. Record, April. Let's go, son! Let's go, son! Let's go, Robert! Let's go, Robert! Let's go, son! Let's go, son! Robert, right! That's right! Come on, Kyle! Poor April. Let's go, Robert! Let's go, Robert!
right there.
Good job, son. He came second overall.
That's
How you
because some
feeling?
people lied too much. He wasn't in that seat with me.
What's good, Robert?
I want something to eat. That's what I
Robert, good
want.
job. I wasn't asleep. I was asleep.
All right, so we're here with Robert Wright,
Hello. Hello, hello.
and Robert just completed his 400-meter dash race. Tell us about it, Robert.
Well, at the beginning, I was kind of, well, not scared, but like, in the beginning, I was like, not really scared, but like, they tried to start the race while people were still going. I was like, dang, I thought we had to get a chance to finish first. But you know, I still got on that line, made it happen.
Right.
Coming off that turn right there, I'm like, okay. I had to relax a little because I was going a little fast. I need to save my speed. Catch the dude in lane 4 around the middle, right? Come off this turn, kind of still relax. I'm coming off wild, pick up my speed off the turn. Once I go down, keep going, maintain. Get a little slower on the home stretch. I mean, on that stretch right there. Right? And then lap around, all around here. That end, I was thinking, yeah.
Wow. Right. So it looks like you surpassed your time from even just last week's track meet.
Yes.
When you ran the 400-meter dash in New Jersey Armory. Because your time this time is 56:95, and last time it was what?
Like 57.5, something like that.
57.5. So he shaved off, I think, a significant amount. How do you feel about that?
Half a second. I feel pretty good, I feel like I can keep this change up. Keep
the trend up?
Yeah, keep the trend up. Keep the trend up, Keep maintaining, keep getting stronger for this 400. Get stronger for the 200.
So what do you think your goal is for the 400? To the time-wise?
At the end of outdoor season, I'm hoping for a 53.
A 53. Wow. So that's 3 seconds less.
Yes.
Wow.
And next, you'll see me on the 200.
Yep.
You never know. I might be at 23.
Awesome. All right, so here.
I gotta push the button to talk.
No. 3, 2, 1. So here we have Coach Darryl here, and we just finished up the 400-meter dash. So, Coach, what do you have to say about your two athletes today?
I'm mad at one of my athletes because he came all the way up here to a track meet with no spikes, which I'll never understand. But he still got out and competed and ran a hard race.
Yeah.
Robert is just unbelievable. He ran his fastest time of his life indoors already. Wow. And he improved from last week. So I'm very pleased with the way he competed and the way he ran.
Yes. So would you say me pulling out the belt would encourage him to run faster? Because it seems like he got faster when I pulled out my belt.
Only when necessary.
Well, that's it. Next up is the 200-meter dash for both of them, right?
Both of them, right.
Okay, so we'll check back for the 200-meter dash. We'll be back, guys. Robert, what'd you get?
Huh?
What'd you get? Open it.
First medal for years.
You're on me. No.
What's your arm? See, I could have had one of those.
Wow.
And you already know. Your sister got a ring.
Let me see.
No. Let me see. I can't see.
Good job, Logie Low. High five. You feel good? You feel good? Let's go, son! Let's go, Robert! Woo!
Kyle's in the next seat after that one. After this one. He's in that one.
Maybe in Jersey, R-O-B-E-R-T! Woo! High five! Woo!
Hey, son! Why did you call second place?
Good job. You proud of yourself? So here we have Robert Wright, who just completed the 200-meter dash, right?
Yes.
How you feel, Robert?
I feel great considering I was in lane 1. You know, it's kind of a hard stagger to come from, but you know, I had got the job done.
Yeah. So Robert, he came first place or second place in his heat, okay, but he came second place overall too. So tell me what that means to you.
That means I gotta get better for the person who came first.
So now the goal is to come first.
Yes, it is.
Okay. So we are now waiting for his medal, and so you're gonna get a silver.
Yes, another beautiful silver. I wish it was gold, but you know, Logan, I'm about to throw this medal in his head. But you know, the medals is kind of shiny.
We're gonna end the night. Hopefully, I can get a clip of Robert's other medal that he earned. But it's been a pleasure being here at Ocean Breeze. And if you can just cut over there, that would be nice.
Cut over there, as you can see.
Have a good night, guys.
And you gotta zoom in, and then that will be the outro.